The Montego Bay Cultural Center is a licensed, registered visitors attraction, and it's also an entity of the St. James Parish Council, under which it houses various entities: the National Museum, National Gallery West, a town hall, which is a multi-purpose hall. The capacity for the town hall can seat 250 to 300 theatre style. It also has under its covering a freedom monument as well as a bistro.
And what we do at the National Gallery West is to have either abridged versions of exhibitions that we have had in Kingston that have gotten critical acclaim, or we have exhibitions that have been specifically curated for our Western audience.
The National Museum Jamaica is a division of the Institute of Jamaica, and we have a couple spaces at the Montego Bay Civic Center, an arrangement of artifacts that speak both to national history and in particular to Montego Bay's own history. So we have two spaces, one of the exhibitions from Montego Bay to the world. The other space that we have is focused on Rastafari. Is one of the traditions that naturally attract international tourists to come to the center.
The Montego Bay Cultural Center offers the most comprehensive historic and cultural artistic exhibitions. We attract a wide range of individuals as well as school groups. Our numbers each month goes up to between 800 to 1,000, and the numbers continues to grow because of the ardent and aggressive marketing and sensitization that we have been embarking on in terms of promotion of all aspects. What we have realized is that by virtue of the fact that the rich history that we house at the cultural center, school groups now has also integrated into their curriculum, where it is mandatory that they should visit the center to be a part of the comprehensive historic resources as it relates to artistic as well as historic wealth of information that we have there. We have also been able to attract foreigners. Since November last year, we have been realizing influx of cruise ship passengers that have been coming into the center because of the wealth of information that can be garnered from the exhibitions that we have on display there. So we're out there. We have a website. Our website is montegobayculturalcenter.org, and it is up and running. The information is current. The center is managed by the Board of Directors, which is Montego Bay Arts Council Limited, which has direct oversight over the center. Currently, we're funded. Majority of our funding is through or from TEF. However, the ultimate goal and aspiration of the cultural center is to have it to be able to sustain itself. Hence, the in-house revenue generated entities, for example, the entrance fee, the gift and logo shop, the car park, which we manage at the back, the town hall, and the bistro. There's an entrance fee that we offer, and payments can be made both in local and foreign currency. Locally, it's $400, and foreign currency is $8 US. School groups as well as teachers, we allow them free access to come into the center. However, if parents or guardians are a part of the school groups, they will be charged the entrance fee. Our opening hours at the Montego Bay Cultural Center are Tuesdays to Sundays, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.